Today's video, I will walk you through how to add more credits on ElevenLabs. To begin, go to your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you're there, look for your profile icon. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Subscription. This is where you'll find your current plan, along with the available subscription options for your account. After opening the subscription page, you'll see the different plans that ElevenLabs offers. If you're currently using the free plan, you'll receive 10,000 credits each month. If those monthly credits are enough for your needs, you can continue using the free plan. However, if you regularly need more credits than your current plan provides, you'll need to upgrade your subscription. The available plans are designed for different levels of usage, allowing you to choose the one that best matches how much you use ElevenLabs. If your goal is to purchase additional credits whenever you need them, you'll need to subscribe to at least the Creator plan. This plan gives you access to the option to buy extra credits in addition to the monthly credits included with your subscription. After selecting the Creator plan or any higher plan that fits your needs, complete the subscription upgrade. Once your subscription has been updated, return to the subscription page. From there, you'll be able to access the option to purchase additional credits directly from your subscription settings. Whenever your included monthly credits are running low, you can use this option to add more credits without waiting for your monthly balance to reset. If your usage changes over time, you can always return to the subscription section to review the available plans and decide whether you want to remain on your current subscription or move to another one that better matches your needs. Keeping an eye on your subscription page also makes it easier to manage your available credits and understand which plan you're currently using before deciding to purchase more. The entire process only takes a few moments. Open your profile menu, go to the subscription section, review the available plans, upgrade to at least the Creator plan if you want access to additional credit purchases, and then use the purchase option available on your subscription page whenever you need extra credits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ElevenLabs tutorials and helpful guides.